Welcome to the Villa Shaw Church, located in the country of Portugal. This congregation is mostly made up of African members who immigrated to Portugal. This lively church loves coming together to worship each Sabbath. Their praise fills the neighborhood, and now their pews are just as full. Their hearts are overjoyed to celebrate the great things God does in their lives each week. Music is a big part of their celebration. On this Sabbath, the pastor preaches about how to share Jesus with their community. The members listen attentively so they can be a good example and love their neighbors. Their desire is to put into practice what they preach. This is Eli and his mom. They are active members in this church. Eli takes part in Sabbath school and the main service. Each week after church, the members reach out to the community. They split up into groups and pass out literature so that the people can learn about Jesus and visit their church. Both the children and adults are excited to share what they know about Jesus with their neighbors. Each paper they pass out is a chance for someone to discover a relationship with our Heavenly Father. Eli and his friends have fun doing this. They enjoy talking with people and seeing the reactions to God's message. Sometimes this is the opportunity to talk about Jesus with those who have never heard him before. The members also gather food to give it to some of the homes they visit. This simple act of kindness helps open doors and hearts and can lead to lasting friendships. At the end of the day, the members return to the church. Some of them continue singing and praising the Lord until the night. The congregation shows tremendous faith. They are not afraid to share their friend Jesus with others in their community. Please pray for this church and other churches who are reaching their communities around the world. And thank you for supporting the mission of the Seventh-day Adventist Church.